Hello and welcome to this video. Here is your West Coast Picks challenge log that was sent to me by PickME 1977. So thank you very much to both of you. Really happy that I have a West Coast Picks log here because it's the first time for me that I can play with one of his logs. So here's the key, 6 pins, pretty good bidding. And yeah, log still works. Although I've picked it quite many hours. I tried to pick it open yesterday on camera, but after 10 unsuccessful attempts I stopped. And so I tried to pick it open today again, off camera, and got 4 openings. So maybe I'm lucky enough to show you an opening now. So I start with a medium hook from Peterson and apply tension from the pin side and turn it clockwise. So medium tension, nice turn on the core, another turn on the core, and the log starts very promising. There was one, counter rotation from one, but lost the full set. Maybe I overset pin 1, so I release tension and now I'm getting back the full set. Yeah, nice. Let's check 1. Yeah, 1 is still set. That's also nice. Tension wrench starts to come out. Oops. Maybe this hook is not deep enough. Try this from Sparrows. Yeah, getting counter rotation. Help the counter rotation manually. Maybe I got it. I've definitely lost the full set. Try to get it back. Yeah, it's coming. Nice. How about 1? 1 is still okay. Getting more and more turn on the core, so getting counter rotation here. Again, change picks to a deeper hook. Oh, I got it. But again, lost the full set. Got it back partially. One is still okay. Tension wrench is again one not well placed. Okay. And it's open. Wow, never got it open so fast. Cool, alright, so now I'm really curious to see the pins. Okay. So here are the pins nicely arranged. We have serrated key pins in 1, 2, 5 and 6. 3 and 4 are standard. And the drivers, they are really cool pins. One is a very sharp spool with a additional shorter diameter towards the shear line, just like on some abuses where I've seen these kind of spools. So you set the spool, you think you're done, but in fact the shear line is not clear. You have to additionally pick it after the return of the full set, and that's the additional part here that makes picking a little bit more difficult or interesting. Then we have T-pins as pin-in-pin pins, so to speak. Really cool. Then these type of multi-diameter T-pin. It gives the nice turn on the core when you pick them. You pick it step by step, and every time the core turns a little bit more. So that's really enjoyable when you pick a lock with these type of pins. Then a standard pin in 4, another one of these pin-in-pin T-pin pins in 5, and another one of these multi-diameter T-pin. Really cool pins, awesome work. So West Coast Picks, thank you very much for making this lock. And oh, we have to look at the plug. Threading in 1, 2 and 5 and 6. So this corresponds to the serrated key pins in 1, 2, 5 and 6. 3 and 4 are standard, smooth, nothing. The Bible appears to be unmodified, so every chamber seems to be smooth. Yeah, pretty cool lock. Yeah, thank you very much, West Coast Picks, for making this great lock. And thank you very much to PickME 1977 for sending this lock to me. So everybody else, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.